In this video, I'm going to show you how to go live on Instagram. First, open your Instagram app, and in this page, you can swipe right and you will enter the camera page. As you can see, in the bottom, there are options. You can just swipe right and choose live option. And now you can just click start button, but before that, you can choose your audience. You can practice first. Let's say I want to practice. I can just click the start button. And there's a countdown. Now I'm live. Then if you want to end the live, you can just click this button in the top right corner. And then confirm it. And you can choose to view in live archive and discard media. If you found this video helpful, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.